You didn't do. Yawa. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Money no day. See stage, they don't monetize. I no go lie for you. Cost of the living, one kill living for Nigeria. I they tell you, like say government don't cancel afternoon food. When last you stand up as a man for this Nigeria, say you want chop afternoon food. No more lunch. The government don't launch hunger on us. This country, things are rugged now for this country. My father talks in a man when get money, they do DNA. Poor man, they live on for God. Listen to me, if you are a man, you day here. As a man, you never marry. Make money. As a man, you are here, you are single. Make money. I know what they tell you. Because as a man, you get the kind of money you will give your mother-in-law. She will develop feelings for you. Say my love for my son-in-law, though. Money, poverty in a bastard. My brother video me where he say he show can say a wicked drip. Comedy. On the body, I don't even know which brand. I just buy them. The shoe. Versace. Kind of brand. Comedy. The watch. The time correct. Now watch of us. This country don't rogero. The price of fuel now they fuel my anger. As my friend Napi will always say, see the price of fuel now. Even Yoruba people say no they use antebra. When less fuel don't too cost. Even Yoruba people know they shout my fuel late. They know if you afford them now. You know how many fuel you need to buy before you fuel late. This country, Nigeria go humble you. I heard say first PRO police they here. Right. He said, you like this work? Look then now, then they first headquarters here. We say, understand for social media now where commissioner of police right say police. No, no, they use police public number to borrow money from Pampe. You know, Nigerians if government trouble us with the humble government, Nigerians say, okay, every town they borrow money, now know they pay. No worry, we too go borrow, put government number. So as the people when them borrow from, they call them. Now, how police wanted, they tell the company, say, no be police borrow this money. As government, no one make provision for us. Now make them pay, make government pay them. We don't go do one for ourselves. This country, rugged. Yes, now. The way they look you. I first they look your cap whether I wear me local man know what I want to talk next. See, some of you when you see me you think I have problem with government. I don't have problem. I love Tinubu. Yes. See now now first PRO shout na lie. No, now you talk say na lie. Because I for sue you for allegation. How you go say I don't like my president? Tinubu is so direct. Waiting tell us nothing they do. Yes now. He go and say, I will hit the ground running. All of us run. Yes, hold on. I have distinguished senator here. Good evening, sir. If they say na me get for mine, for come me give me. Now they proceed. In this life, make money. Make money. Because if he really gave me for mine, you know, come me give me. Now don't spray. You know people when no get transport around here. You don't share my money. Something will go come me give me. See, big men, they know they like help woman without stress. So he say if I give him, he go too easy. Make it stress, pick up. No worry, pick up, no worry. Just take your time. Take your time. The other comedian went and spray before get pride, leave some for stage. My money mixed with him. Oh, my liver at the moment. No, wait here. So to be first son for this country easy. You be first son, they trek under hot sun. Welcome to my Sony day. Let's go into distinguished senator is here. Good evening, sir. God bless you. You are doing well. I'm seeing Regina Daniels real life for the second time. You are welcome. You are so fine. God bless you. Hi. For our mind. What's happening? I don't want to. Nigerians can expect somebody to talk anyhow. I appreciate them. I don't watch them from childhood. All my mind I say if I grow, now me go marry them. But who am I? I'm not going to lie, you senator, you do this one. Boys, they find you. They were all opposed, they crush on, you reach your tone as you enter billionaire. You pull it down. No problem. No problem. No problem. We they observe you. No problem. Sumo pile. Sumo pile. You just go buy a Ferrari. Where you want my young boys now, can do. No problem. I will help me in my wedding next week. Wait, oh, not be distinguished senator give away $2,000. Give me space. My follow here. If you know they give money, at least they sabi stand up. Okay. Oh, they say now I go first start from. Okay. Oh God. Small play, $300. Because I dey talk to senator. Who is Tinubu? Sir, God bless you. Now man you be, others are mannequin. Because you they give me money, then they look. Anyway, this one come from, more will come from there. Yes, when I mean more will come from there, you just add more. You say what? God bless you. No, hold on. You see, imagine what a civilian is doing. Just senator on the top say one break record. Kefiano Autos. God bless you. You see, Autos they in name no be moto. God bless you. Adequam. I'll give you my phone number. You need them. Adam as people where you go to help this year. All right. Thank you, distinguished senator. My ass police money, they take risk. You know they notice here at the back. If you just tell me, say my Roger. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. All right, distinguished senator, God bless you. Civilian, don't shut down. No. Want to see what in Senate won't do for us. My Lord, if I may. Mine, yeah. You know what about big men? He said, no, I don't want to be fine giving dollars. Let my wife do the work. Say, in this life, make money. Sister Reggie, auntie, big mommy. Mommy, you are like a mother to me. Thanks for all you do for humanity. Mumumi, who send me ma go the crush? I know they go later help me. Oh yeah, do your thing. Is that what? Well, I saw now they try me. Well done, sir. No, I'm not doing anything. You say what? I'm very well. You say, how you hear big mouth voice? Poverty in a bastard. Just here, waiting, ask me. This one is a no for me. Say, even if you know, give me reach $3,000. Watch. He say,
how are you?
He asked poor man, how are you? And he expect me man say fine. Anybody fine for this country? Okay, I should give you. I do one now why they sick. May I give you the number? Okay. May I call out in case another person won't do them too. 072514. Oh, my phone number. Okay. You know they ask poor man phone number with the things in our account. My sister call me now, may ring the phone, they fully charged. All right, thank you. So, you call me, no be to the shout Seriki, now your net knows in you pass 3 months. All right. Where this boy will pack this money? Where you there? Come here. Are you that less busy? Clean stage. Do your thing. Oh, this country hard on a first son. No. When they grow up, his hopes were high. If you ask me what do you want to be in future, doctor. Who would have told him that in 2023, I go to perform, you go to peak. Ladies and gentlemen, time up, Abby. I'll be going. He said no. I should do one more joke. Yeah. Okay, I'll do this popular joke. Things are hard. By right, I suppose to be lawyer. I suppose they call the shot. I put it to you, my lord. My client here, but guess what? Instead of me to the shot, I put it to you, Nigeria, and put on for my body, water. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. My name is Sarkin Dariya.